I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing all power sources so you avoid shorts. Once done, remove the back panel using a small Phillips and a plastic spudger. Keep screws organized because mounting order matters. You should inspect the jack area visually with a magnifier to spot bent pins or debris, and then use a multimeter to check continuity. This tells you whether the jack is electrically dead or just mechanically damaged. You now trace the jack to see if it's a board-mounted soldered jack or a modular socket. This determines your repair path. Once located, perform continuity tests on tip, ring, and sleeve while lightly wiggling the plug to reveal intermittent connections. If it's modular, carefully unplug the ribbon or connector and inspect pins. If soldered, heat the joints and desolder the jack, taking care to avoid lifting traces, because preserving PCB pads prevents larger repairs. You fit the replacement jack, solder with short, shiny joints, or snap the modular part back until it seats fully, and then immediately retest electrical continuity and play audio to confirm functionality. Once satisfied, reassemble the laptop in reverse order, making sure no cables are pinched and screws return to their documented positions. If audio still fails, try this troubleshooting tip. Test with a USB audio adapter to isolate whether the problem is jack hardware or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.